Good morning, ma'am. My name is Dars D. Ramirez from Animal Science 1B. In this video, I will present the social issues and the environment. First is water conservation. Ano nga ba ang water conservation? Water conservation refers to reducing the usage of water and recycling of waste for different purposes, such as cleaning and agricultural irrigation. Sa madaling salita, ang water conservation ay ang pagtitipid ng tubig at may tinatawag tayong water harvesting o rainwater harvesting. Ano nga ba ang rainwater harvesting o water harvesting? Water harvesting is the capture, diversion, and storage of water obtained from different freshwater sources for plant irrigation, domestic purposes, industrial purposes, and groundwater recharge and other usage. Ang rainwater harvesting ay ang pangongolekta ng tubig kapag umuulan. Dito sa Pilipinas, ang example ng rainwater harvesting ay yung mga drum na nakasahod sa ating mga bubong o yero kapag umuulan. Ito ang isa sa example of rainwater harvesting. Sa rainwater harvesting ay may dalawang model. First is rural model and the second is urban model. Rural model. Rural areas generally use traditional methods of rainwater harvesting. Main motive of rainwater harvesting in this area is to facilitate irrigation for agriculture and use for water for domestic and drinking purposes. Nowadays, practices are also being followed to us to recharge groundwater levels. Urban model. More modernized system of rainwater harvesting. The main components of the urban model are roof catchment, gutters, downpipe, first flush pipe, filters unit, storage tank, collection pit. Advantages: improve in the quality of groundwater, rise in the water levels in wells and bore wells that are drying up, an ideal solution to water problems in areas having inadequate water resources, reduction in the soil erosion as the surface runoff is reduced, decrease in the choking of stormwater drains and flooding of roads, saving of energy to lift groundwater. 1 meter rise in water level saves 0.40 kilowatt-hour of electricity. Disadvantage: in terms of complex constructions, there is a requirement for high-cost, trained professionals. Maintenance costs may add to the monetary burden. If not maintained properly, then it can cause various problems in terms of algal or bacterial growth. Tanks, if not constructed properly, might result in leakages, and metal tanks may also lead to problems such as corrosion harming the water quality. All these factors might prove harmful and result in various kinds of health issues. The system is very much rainfall dependent, and hence if there are problems with the rainfall in the area, it may not be verified effective. Rainwater can be harvested in a variety of ways: direct from the rooftops and stored in tanks, monsoon runoff, and water in swollen teams during the monsoon and storing it in underground tanks. Water from flooded rivers can be stored in small ponds. Collection and transfer of rainwater into the percolation tanks so as to facilitate discharge into ground. Some facts: Tamil Nadu is the first and only state in India which has made rooftop rainwater harvesting structure compulsory to all the houses across the state. There are legal provisions to punish the defaulters. Watershed management. Watershed management emphasizes scientific soil and water conservation in order to increase the biomass production. The aim is to develop primary resources of land and water to produce secondary resources of plant and animals for use in manner which will not cause ecological imbalance. The process of creating and implementing plans, programs, and projects to sustain and enhance watershed functions that affect the plant, animal, and human communities within a watershed boundaries. Ayon sa mga, ayon sa mga pag-aaral ng United Nations, higit sa 1.2 bilyon tao sa buong mundo ay salat sa malinis na tubig at higit sa 2 bilyon na kulang sa tamang sanitation. At ayon sa International Water Management Institution o IWMI, sa taong 2025, mga 2.5 bilyon tao ng inaasahang populasyon ng buong mundo ay mamumuhay sa mga rehiyon na kulang-kulang sa tubig, kung saan higit sa pinakaapektado ang Asia at Sub-Saharan Africa. Hanggat walang konkretong programa upang madagdagan ang pandaigdigang supply ng fresh water, ang mahalagang yaman na ito ay pagmumula ng global crisis sa susunod na 30 years. Dito sa ating bansa, inalam ng National Irrigation Administration ang 136 watersheds o tubig kanlungan na sumasakop sa 4.5 milyong hektarya ng lupa ay nasa critical na kondisyon. Sa mga lupaing ito, nakatira ang 6.88 na Pilipino o 9% ng national population. Ang mga watershed ay mga geographic area kung saan lahat ng pinagmumula ng tubig tulad ng lawa, ilog, sapa, wetlands at estuaries, pati na ang groundwater ay patungo sa iisang surface body. Ito ang mga nagsusupply ng tubig patungo sa iba't ibang irrigation system, hydroelectric dams, kabilang ang domestic and industrial water system sa bansa. Bakit napipinsala ang mga watersheds? Ang mga watershed ay parang palangganang geographic structure na napapaligiran ng mga bundok kung saan ang surface water ay patungo sa lawa, sapa, ilog at iba pang bodies of water ay nadadaan sa iba't ibang uri ng pagkasira. Ang pagguho ng lupa ang pangkaraniwang dahilan ng pagkasira ng mga watershed, ngunit maituturing na pinakamatindi ito sa ibang bansa. Alam nyo ba na 74 hanggang 81 milyon tonelada ng lupa ang nawawala kada taon dahil sa pagguho ng lupa? At 63% hanggang 77% ng total land area sa bansa ay apektado ng soil erosion. Sa katunayan, higit sa kalahati ng lupain ng 13 sa 74 na lalawigan sa bansa ay apektado ng banayad hanggang matinding pagguho ng lupa. Maliban sa soil erosion, hindi rin may tatapwa na ang laganap ng pagkasira ng gubat ay isa sa marami pang dahilan ng pagkasira ng ating mga watershed. Kabilang narito ang mga pang-commercial na gamit sa vegetation, mga pang-industriyang aktibidad tulad ng walang habas na konbersisyon ng lupa, maling gamit ng lupa at gubat at iba pa. Dito ngayon pumapasok ang Water Resources Development Project, Watershed Management Improvement Component o WRDP, WMIC, na pinangungunahan ng National Irrigation Administration. Ang WMIC ay isa sa 5 component projects ng WRDP na pinapatupad ng DNR. Nilalayan ng programang ito na mailagay sa ayos ang mga watershed upang tiyakin na mapapangalagaan at maisaayos ang mga critical watersheds na pangunahing pinagkukunan ng tubig para sa patubig at iba pang pangangailangan.